Work is a good place to buy washers and dryers from.
Project Home Appliance Repair. Did you get it?
Yes, yes, yes. Who was that?
Project Home Appliance Repair. We open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Did you get it?
Yes.
That's right. At Project, we open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. to serve you. That's from Sunday to Friday. We're closed on Saturday. So give us a call if you want a really, really strong washer that the lid doesn't lock. If you want a strong washer but the lid don't lock, the power company cannot damage it, and you can overload it. But give us a call. We have about 100 of these left. 50 already gone. 100 left. Give us a call today, 467-5796 and 698-4637. And remember our motto, outstanding workers, outstanding results.